Oh yeah, put it on premium. Okay. And fill up that Mosaic, yes, with plenty of gas. That's gonna be perfect. Look at Diesel bringing the Frisbee in. Gosh, he's going so fast. Well, Asher's telling me to get me 4 out, and then he's gonna ride his Mosaic. So the 4 and the Mosaic, that's what he wants to do. He want to ride Mosaic, ride 4. All gassed up. Diesel, bring me the Frizz. Let's get it, Diesel.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today, this is going to be part 2 of the hanging of all of the new backdrops and everything right over here. But first, we have to go find a curtain rod because I thought I had an extra one and I do not. So now I have to go find a curtain rod. So let's go find that, and then I'm gonna show you where I'm hanging this and how we're gonna do these backdrops. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, we out and about. We looking for this curtain rod. Guess where I ended up? That's right, Target. I was not using this as an excuse to go to Target, but it is a good excuse. Who am I kidding? Who else? Who else is a Target shopper? Drop in the comments. And yeah, let's go see if we can find a curtain rod. Okay. Okay, so we are looking here. I'm not finding exactly what I want because, you know, I bougie on a budget. So I grabbed the black one of like this right here for 18. I don't know if that's gonna work or not though. So here's what I picked up. It doesn't need to be super decorative. You guys hold the phone. I think I got an idea. Okay, you guys, so I was definitely trying to, I swear, hold on. Every time I hit record, someone either pulls up next to me or they were walking past the aisle and I felt like a weirdo. I'm still trying to get used to like filming out in public. I feel like such a weirdo. People are looking at me like, what's this girl doing with a camera? So, yeah, I kept putting the camera down. See, someone just pulled up over there. I'm gonna show you my idea and what I decided to get instead of the curtain rod. Because I looked at the curtain rods, and for one, I feel like I normally always go to like say what you want, but I normally always go to Walmart for that type of stuff because like it's just more inexpensive at Walmart. So anyways, I came to Target. I didn't really like what I was finding as far as like the curtain rods went, and like, yeah, it wasn't at the price point I wanted because it's not like decorative for actual like any curtains. It's literally just for my backdrops. So I found something else. You've seen all the hooks I was showing you, and I have something at home. So this is how my brain works. I'm gonna show you guys my idea, okay? P.S. It is hotter than hooey out. So I took the hat off, and I have no hair tie, but I found a couple bobby pins. So I just wind it around here. If you got a couple bobby pins, spares in your purse, in the car, I always have bobby pins everywhere. And you pin it a piece to the bun and a piece to the base of your hair here, it'll stay in. And here we go. Hello, hello. Okay, so we are back home. I know I look different. It's the same day. I just went on a run when I got home and sweat my butt off. So we got everything set up to do a time lapse to show you what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna show you what I found. This is just how my brain works, okay? So I had to go and get my shower curtain rod. Yes, I am using a shower curtain rod because I had a shower curtain rod. I did not have a curtain rod like I wanted, like for like this one right here, up there. So that's what I thought I had, and I didn't, but I seen that I had this down there, and I was like, okay, well, I'll just go to the store, get a curtain rod, no big deal, right? Well, Target did not really, they didn't make me happy, okay? And this is what's happening down here. Wrestling boys. Oh my goodness, okay. All right, okay, this is what I found here. Yes, we have a bunch of stuff set out because we are about to get this going up on that wall. So I actually found these hooks. They're just kind of like cutesy, like it's like a fabric. I don't know, there's just like a fabric around it, almost like a rope type thing, but it's metal. And like it's super sturdy. I was trying to like pull on it and everything just to see if it would like bend or anything, and it doesn't. And you guys, I was about to spend like $28 on a curtain rod or 18, and I found these hooks. And I got 2 of them for, how much were they each? They were $3.20 a piece. Like, what? So yeah, so I got these 2 hooks, and then I'm gonna use that shower curtain rod right there. And so yeah, like I said, bougie on a budget here. You know, we like to keep things in a nice price range. So if I can make something work for way cheaper, I'ma do it. So, all right, we're gonna get going and we're gonna show you what we're gonna do with these hooks and this shower curtain rod, okay? Here we go, wish us luck. Okay, so we got it up there. These hooks are actually pretty nice. Because here's the thing, I didn't need it to look like super pretty, but I mean, I will say the hooks are kind of like cutesy. And they're very sturdy. Joe says he's gonna try doing pull-ups from them. So now we are going to get out the backdrops and we're gonna do a little bit of ironing and try to get some of the lines out, and then we're gonna hang it up and we're gonna check this baby out. Here we go. Okay, so we just opened up the backdrops, well, at least the green one. Okay, so it is like it's a little bit of a thicker material. Well, it's thin, but it feels heavier. It's cotton, but when I looked it up, it said it was like a muslin material. So it's got like a thicker feel to it. And when you hold it up to the light, you can see through it. So just as review purposes, if you're gonna have something, if you're not gonna have a like blank wall behind it, if you're gonna have some lights or something, you might see through it. So just a heads up. But I wanted this for like up against a wall, okay? So I didn't really care about that. I'm gonna shake this out here. It is 6 by 9, 6 foot by 9 foot. And actually the lines are not too bad in it. It did also come with these. I don't know if I'll use them or not because I actually have these clamps. I bought these separately with some backdrops. These babies are strong, like real strong. So that's what I use, but it did come with these straps here. So you can actually Velcro this around the bar that you're going to put the backdrop up on. And then they have these clamps, which they feel pretty strong, but they're small. So I don't know, I might still use my clamps, but it's nice to have this option. And then I think this is here so that you can like lower the backdrop. And then if you need to pull it up and you don't want to like redo everything, you can just pull that up, okay? And it comes with 4 of those straps. And the black one comes with those as well, but the pink one is a different brand. Okay, so I set the ring light up right here, and then we did use the clamps to clip that on there. We're still gonna do a little bit of adjusting because I need to expand that bar just a little bit more, and then we're gonna put the clip on the outside of the hook, if that makes sense. And then we still have to iron out all of the kinks and stuff. But let me back up without tripping. So this is hung right there, goes all the way to the floor, and it actually comes out like all the way over the rug too. So I can even do something like full body where it looks like I'm standing on something. So Joe's gonna be trying a lot of cool like effects and like backgrounds and just different things like that with this green screen. So stay tuned, you guys. This is gonna be fun.
So guys, here's the pink one and what it looks like all set up. Got Betty over here modeling for it. Hey Betty, looking good in front of that pink. This is how the other one turned out. We've already done one video with the green screen for Tori's birthday, so if you haven't seen it, make sure you check it out. That was really fun. It's really cool. It's really exciting what we can do now with the green screen and get some cool different backgrounds going on just to take the channel to the next level. But yep, just wanted to show you guys this pink one here. I apologize, I'm taking over the video. Tori's in town. But anyways, I'll show you here too from the editing studio. Working on another video right now with the green screen as well. So please stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be absolutely super cool. Really changing things up on the channel. Really stoked with the way this office is turning out. Let us know what you guys think. If you guys are really into this type of thing, if we're heading the right direction, and anything you want to see for Tori. But anyways, with that being said, I'll stand in front of it. I know I'm nothing to look at, but make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Make sure you stay tuned, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.